Hello, this is Mahua Moitra, Member of Parliament from the All India Trinamool Congress. Today, the 17th of April 2026, is a historic day for India and for India's democracy. We, the United Opposition, the Indian National Congress, the DMK, the Samajwadi Party, the All India Trinamool Congress, and all the other smaller members of the India bloc, the opposition, have resoundingly defeated the ill-thought-out delimitation constitutional amendment brought in by the Modi-led BJP government. They called it a women's reservation bill, when in truth, the women's reservation bill has already been passed in 2023, when all they need to do is to have 1/3 seats reserved out of 543 for women immediately if they wanted to. Instead of doing that, they came up with a diabolical plan to increase the number of seats in the Lok Sabha and the Vidhan Sabhas based on a 2011 census, so not on the latest census. And by doing this, they were going to adversely affect the share of the southern, the northeastern, and the eastern states in the total. We have resoundingly defeated them. They needed 2/3 majority to pass this constitutional amendment. They got only 298 votes, whereas the opposition got 230 votes. And a lot of us could not even make it because of the elections in our states. This is the beginning of the end. This is the beginning where the narrative starts to change. We can do it. For the first time, we have done this. We have shown them. And going forward, they have lost today. The BJP will lose Bengal. They will lose Kerala. And going on, this will be the beginning of their decline. So Satyamev Jayate, truth always triumphs. We should never give up.